Now student, in the third sum, verify by substitution. First of all, we will find the value of x. After finding the value of x, we will verify this sum. The statement which they have given us is 3x plus 4 is equal to 13. Here we will finding the value of x. 3x will remain here, and when 14 we take to another side, it will get minus. 13 minus 4 is 9. And here 3 is multiplying here, and when it get another side, it will get divided. The value of x is 3. 3 3s are 9. And now we will put this value of 3 into the statement. This process is called the verify process. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4 is equal to 13. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now student, as you can see, left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our sum is right. Now the second part of this sum is the root of 5x minus 8 is equal to 7. Now I will do another sum because it will get similar to the next one. 3x is equal to 20 by 7 minus x. Now in this we have to find the value of x. First of all, what we will do, 3x, we will take this term to this term of x to that side, it will get plus. Now 3 plus 4 is 3x plus 4x, 1x is 4x, 20 by 7. Now we will, 4 is multiplying here, we will get cross multiply. We will do cross multiply here. 4x multiplied by 7 is 28x and 20. X is 20 by 28. Now 5 4s are 20. Sorry, it will go to table of 4s. 4 5s are 20 and 4 7s are 28. Now here x is 5 by 7. Now we will verify by putting the value of x in the statement. What they have given us, this is verify process. 3x is equal to 20 by 7 minus x. The value of x is 5 by 7. 20 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 3 5s are 15. 15 by 7. 7 we take here LCM. 20 minus 5. 15 by 7. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 by 7. Now student, left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means our sum is right.